Hey Aussie crypto enthusiasts. If you've been trying to step into the world of crypto trading, but keep running into platforms that feel too complex or just don't deliver, you're definitely not alone. I've tested more than a few myself. Some look great on the surface, but fall short when it really counts. Recently though, I came across something that stands out. It's called Coinspire. Unlike many trading apps out there, Coinspire is a fully automated, AI-powered crypto trading platform designed specifically for Australian users. And what really sets it apart is how accessible and user-friendly it is, even if you've never traded before. Here's the bonus. I've been given access to an exclusive invite link. When you use it to sign up, you'll unlock a special welcome bonus that's not available on the public site. It's a limited time offer just for early users, so don't miss the opportunity. Links in the description. Now let's talk about what makes Coinspire worth considering. For starters, it's completely hands-free. The platform's AI works around the clock, scanning global crypto markets and executing trades in real time on your behalf. No need to watch charts or make split-second decisions. Even with zero technical experience, you can get started with confidence. As for performance, many users are seeing daily profits between 150 and 400 Australian dollars, with some reporting monthly returns of up to 70%. Naturally, results depend on market conditions, but the key takeaway is this. Once you're set up, Coinspire does the work for you. Security and compliance are also taken seriously. Coinspire is fully aligned with Australian financial regulations, including AUST, RAC, KYC, and AML standards. Your data and funds are protected with industry-grade encryption, and the platform uses secure, locally compliant cloud infrastructure so you can trade with peace of mind. Getting started is simple. Coinspire connects with major global exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Just link your wallet, activate the AI, and you're ready to go. And if you ever need help, their Australia-based support team is available 24/7. That exclusive invite link, it gives you more than just access. By registering through it, you also unlock extra features and the welcome bonus, giving you a strong start right from day one. One last thing worth noting, Coinspire's AI isn't limited to basic indicators. It uses advanced machine learning to adapt to market shifts in real time, becoming smarter and more efficient the longer it runs. Over time, that means better results, without extra effort on your part. You also have control over your risk settings. You can customize stop-loss levels, adjust your strategy, and select which assets to trade, all while letting the automation do the heavy lifting. And yes, this is a legitimate, locally developed platform built by a team that understands Australia's financial environment and prioritizes transparency. They even offer live onboarding sessions for new users, which is a great bonus. So, if you've been waiting for the right moment to explore crypto investing, this could be it. With smart automation, strong compliance, and a truly beginner-friendly approach, Coinspire makes crypto work for you. Click the link in the description to sign up, claim your welcome bonus, and start building your portfolio the smarter way with Coinspire.